कुदरत से मिल के करें अर्पण। Give back to nature, back to nature.
We have 21 supporters for this event today. How can I change climate change? I have to become a change agent. I have to empower myself to become a change agent. Nobody in this world will come and tell you become a change agent. Nobody. I never waited for anybody to take the initiative. I took it myself. We all need to become now zero tolerant for climate change. Best solution, do it yourself. Second is composting. The food waste that you are throwing every day into your dustbin, you have no idea what is happening to it after it reaches Pirana. If you just try to even look at the whole chain, it's alarming. Why? Because food waste is emitting the biggest villain in this world called methane gas. And what is methane gas? It's a greenhouse gas. Carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane, ozone are direct greenhouse gases. If you see, we are 70% water. The world is 70% water. So we all used to write short notes on the water cycle. That water gets evaporated and then there is rain coming down, and this is all happening because of carbon dioxide. There is green covered on the earth. So obviously when leaves fall off or there is food, fruits, vegetables that fall off, when they decompose, they do generate methane. So in the natural cycle, there is already greenhouse gases present, which is keeping the environment warm. That is why we have summer, winter, rainy season. Summer में गर्मी नहीं लगेगी तो we will wonder. Rainy season में ठंडक नहीं होगी और rain नहीं होगा, we will wonder. So we are all so used to these four climates. How is this happening? How is the temperature staying warm? Because of the natural greenhouse effect. But what we have done is different. We have added on the quantities required by nature to balance the greenhouse gases. Respect Safai Kamdars. Harijans have to do Safai. Okay, we have to shift our perceptions. We have to teach them waste segregation. આપણા ઘરે જે કામવાળો આવે છે એને આપણે શીખવાડવાનું છે કે અલગ કચરાને કેવી રીતે પાડવાનું છે. Why? Because either he is illiterate or he doesn't have the will or he doesn't care. But we as educated people having the required knowledge have to train them. I have just listed servants, rag pickers and sweepers. Let's respect them. When they are doing their work, let's kind of look at them with that eyes, because most of the time we despise them with our eyes. We don't speak anything, we look at them like that, so they understand. So let's change the way we look at them. Cut down dairy products. If there's one thing I want all of you to take back home today, is that we have no idea what this doodh, dahi, paneer, dairy chocolates is doing to the climate change. Just if all of us decide to cut down our dairy consumption, you know what? The global temperature can come down by 2 degrees. Just by reducing your dairy consumption. Send less kgs per person. If you are a family of 4, on an average 500 grams of waste is what one family generates. Forget about functions, gas, savya, vadiga, whatever. But on an average, this is the global statistic. Now we have to see how we can reduce number of grams per person going into the dustbin. Reduce your footprint. We've all heard about carbon footprint. Now is the time to address methane gas. And therefore, let's mind our footprint. food fridge. What do I mean by that? 1. Leftovers in the fridge. 2. After the scraps of vegetables and fruits that we generate, we simply throw it in our dustbin. Number 3. We don't measure our food while cooking. આપણા મમ્મી હતા ને, ચા મૂકવાની હોય ને તોય આપણને કહે કે 2 ગ્લાસ પાણી, 1 ગ્લાસ મિલ્ક, 3 spoons of sugar and some tea. Your tea is ready. We were measuring our preparations. But now આપણે આમ ખૂટે એવું તો ક્યારેય બનાવતા જ નથી. થોડુંક તો વધે એવું જ બનાવીએ છીએ. ખૂટે નહીં, વધે થોડુંક, વાંધો નહીં, ફ્રીજ છે ને. So we don't measure our food these days. Depending on our family size, let's start measuring our food. Invest on training an army of waste managers. If there is anything we need today, is waste managers. No general managers, no assistant general managers. We need waste managers. Segregate waste at your doorstep. I think I've already covered this. In this, there's only one point I need to make. Segregate it into 2 bins does not mean get any 2 type of bins. Get 1 green bin, get 1 blue bin. Put all your food waste, leftovers, vegetables, fruits in the green bin. Even your simple things like you think hair or nails, where do I put it? The pencil. So just put it in that and just put all the dry waste into your blue bin. This is the only way to go ahead. And corporation, whenever it will do with penalty. Like traffic. When they did helmet, they did it with penalty. They never requested first and then after 1 month placed traffic police to collect penalty. Whenever they try to enforce something, they will always come with a penalty. So before even they penalize you, believe me, if you see the penalty amounts, you will be surprised. And you can't sue them in the court. And AMC is on its track with the draft rules of the Central Pollution Control Board, ready to implement this in Ahmedabad. Before they do that and penalize you and you pay 500 rupees, it's better to get 2 dustbins worth 500 rupees. Use helpline numbers more often. You see a tree being cut on the road. Yeah? You want to do something, you want to do something. You want to call up a plumber because suddenly leakage started at home. So there are so many numbers that are available, government helpline numbers and otherwise, where you can call and get access to these numbers of public utility. Invest on scavenger birds, Panjra for their habitat management. For birds, even કબૂતર આપણે ત્યાં કોઈને ઘાયલ થાય ને તો આપણને પહેલા પાંજરાપોળ યાદ આવે કે એ લોકો લઈ જશે, એ લોકો they will do some good to it. હવે scavengers ની કેમ વાત કરું છું? It's a bad omen to have eagles or vultures, but we need to change. Why? Because scavengers like vultures and kites are the most natural things to have to treat carcasses and dead animals lying at dump sites or otherwise on roads. Earlier, if you remember that picture, that scavenger betu chhe ne gaay ne khai che, remember those pictures we had? Where are those scavengers? They are not there. So then whose problem is it? Corporation. In 24 hours, if they don't take it, corporation kasu kartu nathi. અહીંયા પડ્યું ગંધાય છે, શું કરું? કૂતરું મરી ગયું, બિલાડી મરી ગઈ, શું કરું? But જે naturally God gifted આપણને મળ્યા છે એ તો ઓછા થઈ ગયા છે. I heard Dwanit saying that the number of vultures in Ahmedabad are less than 10. These days we have a lot of people delivering food in a particular shaped plate, home delivery. You know those plates that we are eating in, disposable plates and glasses, they are not recyclable. They are just mashed up and they have to be thrown at a dump site where no recycling is possible further. And we so happily feel કે કેટલું મસ્ત ડિઝાઇન છે, આ બધું વ્યવસ્થિત ગોઠવાઈ ગયું છે પ્લેટમાં. And we actually receive them home. They are doing that because we don't want to go out. but they do not know that they are polluting the environment. Each day a person who is doing this sells 35 to 40 plates. એટલું એ પાપનો ભાગીદાર થાય છે. પુણ્ય તો આમાં કશું જ નથી. After summers, use ceiling fans, not ACs. I'm so sorry to say, but from the time I quit my job career, I used to go to offices at 9 in the morning, everything is closed, I am in an AC, light ચાલુ છે આખો દિવસ. આવા કેટલા ઓફિસીસ છે? Just to fit AC, we have stopped natural light from coming inside, and we have artificial lights right now on. Like 8 વાગે શરૂ થાય office, people go until 10. So lights which have to be actually used only at night, because naturally if it is dark, we have started using it in the daytime. The AC, how does it affect environment? By emitting greenhouse gases, one of them being water vapor, second one those HFCs that I talked about, hydrofluorocarbons. Ask for vermicompost only. Aradsianu khatar. We used to write short notes. Aradsiu is the best friend of farmer, and then we used to write a paragraph. I mean, how much do we know about earthworms after that short note and that science chapter? We don't know anything about them. They do what nobody else can do. Like scavengers can do, earthworms can do for preventing soil pollution. gpcb.gov.in/do's and don'ts. Do we have Mr. Soni here? Yes, Mr. Soni. He is the scientific officer from Gujarat Pollution Control Board, who is with us here. And I took the chance for this event to go to your site. And imagine what? It's a bank of knowledge out there on GPCB, which we don't go to. We just go to Google. But on Google I went to GPCB, and I really think for those little things which I cannot show here and repeat, just go and see do's and don'ts. Simple things you have to implement in life, you will come to know. They have everything, noise pollution, energy conservation, everything covered in the do's and don'ts. Unlike going to Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Switzerland, Germany. Why? ત્યાં તો એટલું ચોખ્ખું હોય છે ને કે એક અઠવાડિયા સુધી અમે તો કચરો જ નથી કરતા. And the air you breathe, my vacation, yaar, મારા આખા વર્ષ માટે I feel recharged. Why do we go to these countries? They are actually zero waste countries. Sweden imports waste from outside because they don't have waste. I was actually trying to make a point here for the Swachhta Abhiyan. Imagine we are the second largest in population. If all of us started segregating, and just the dry waste that India is generating, Narendra Modi uses that waste to sell it to Sweden, what will happen? Sweden doesn't have to go to any other country. बहुत मिल जाएगा उनको हमसे. And what will come into the country? Euros. He can sell this waste to Sweden, who is importing waste. Only thing we have to do is give it in a form in which it can be recycled. Just because Indians mix up waste, Narendra Modi can also not do anything about it. Even if he wants to address the deficit, this, that, fiscal deficit problem. By 2019, one little thing you do, and you are actually helping him to make money, and we will be a cash-rich country. We will be out of all our debts to World Bank and blah blah blah. I don't know how many banks. I hope Mr. Soni is going to agree with me on that. They are trying hard, but like I said, change your habits. That's not happening, so they can't break their heads over us. Why? Because this is a democracy. You can't force anybody to do anything. Even I cannot. People of the city decide the character of a country. Apparently, this is the most livable city in this world or in this country. How does that become? Not the government, not the stakeholders, not the companies, not the CSR money. It's the people who characterize the nature of that city and they like to come there. Like they know, in Gujarat they are very welcoming, warm people, hospitality ma to joવું જ ના પડે, right? Culture, food, never a dearth for food in Gujarat. So these are things that we boast of, right? So when does that city become like this? The character of the city decides the character of the country. And the people of the country decide their perception in the world, which Narendra Modi is trying to do by visiting so many countries. He's trying to probably change the perception of the world that we are not a country of snake charmers anymore.
My name is Colonel Atul Bhandari. I think we need more this funny Trivedis in our country. She deserves a big hand. I have just one point to say. I don't want to steal the thunder from her. The time has come to act. Let's cut out the theory. She said that we are running late. My point is we are already late. Please invest in a book called An Inconvenient Truth. An Inconvenient Truth written by the Vice President of America. It's an eye-opener. We're already well behind time. The reason we don't take action is because that problem has not reached our doorstep. We know there is a water shortage. We know there is a problem. But हमारे नलके में पानी आ रहा है. So, but when it reaches your doorstep, there will be hangama. Why don't we act now? If we are educated, we claim to be educated, why aren't we acting? But do you know that it is predicted by the year 2020, countries are going to go to war with each other over water. States in India are already fighting over water. But now nations are going to go to war at each other over water. So when you see somebody washing cars and wasting water, please put your foot down in a polite and appropriate manner. We are the change agents. And I think we owe a lot to this great lady here. Thank you.
Beginning of her presentation, or at the end, she said, "Let us go wild." That is what she said. Let us go wild. I think we should add, let us go mad and go wild. What I mean by mad is making a difference.
In fact, the theme of World Environment Day is Go Wild for Life. So it's not about illegal trading of animals, which is their focus this year. We ourselves need to go wild for our own lives, because Darwin's theory is more relevant than ever before. Survival of the fittest and struggle for existence. You know, those.
I think on this Environment Day, I have been celebrating since 2001, since I run an environment column on my kids' newspaper, kidsresource.com. It's e-environment magazine, 3 million copies, which is sold in US, and 2 question answers every week. I've been putting on Kids Resource since 2001. What I have seen almost on all topics of environment related, kids are the ones that we are focusing. And can spare a little time. I'll give you an example. Yesterday I was at the sports club and I saw some children throwing paper while eating their food. All the paper of the sports club, they just threw it scattered all around. And the parents were sitting on the next table and they were least bothered what the children are doing. I stood up and told them, this is what you are learning at home, or in what the parents are saying. I didn't do it, everybody said we have not done it. And the waiter came and he picked up all the papers. Now the simple example is that our children need to understand that throwing simple papers, even the parents need to be very, very responsible when they are around. If the parents are not, then I think the children are also not going to learn. So
not only to think about environment, but we are talking about economics where we are talking about profit. We are talking about social life where we are talking about people. And when I'm talking about politics, I don't talk about CM or PM election, but I'm talking about decision making. I'm talking about discussing. I'm talking about taking informed decision. So when you're taking any kind of action with respect to your business or your day-to-day activity, it should include all the 4 P's, that is people, planet, profit, and politics. Is it politically correct, the decision? Am I taking care of the people around me? Am I taking care of if this action is going to affect the planet? And finally, it has to be profit-making as well. So fine balance of all the 4 P's is where I stand for. And more I draw the balance between all the 4 P's, better I become.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. Yes, Dr. Kanaka.
The water when we use for the RO plant, a lot of water gets wasted.
Yes.
Now in our house, we save that water for the use.
Yes.
So we keep a bucket.
Yes.
And that water is filled up there.
Yes. I actually request somebody from the JK team to keep that mic in working condition, because we would like people to speak up and the mic will be important. Can one of you just inform the AMA people that the mic is not working?
Okay.
That is that whenever you treat the water with RO plant, 70 to 80% water is going to waste. That can be recycled. That is a very nice idea.
I had seen people around me that either they give away the denim or just throw it away. So I went to my grandfather and told him that I want to use your recycled denims and make products out of it. Thank you.
We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our children.
Many a time people come to me like suppose client, आप तो झाड़ गाड़ी ना हो ना, अपने fancy झाड़ ना किए. I always say no, because uprooting is very easy. And I really don't know कि लोगों ने पाम छे, खजूरी छे, एमा beauty देखा है, जिन्हें नारियल में नहीं देखा थी.
The Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation, Mr. Soni, the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation has acknowledged it by giving me awards for 4 years for the best garden in Ahmedabad. Please, I think many of you know her or have been to her outlet at Rajpath Club. She outlet and she says, the recent rising temperature of Ahmedabad city is an alarming signal from nature. I realize that if I don't act, nature will not spare us all. I am ready to talk about changing our habits and conditioned minds to others and contribute my bit for air, water and soil pollution. I am also happy to inform you that she is contesting the GCCI elections for co-chair, and we also have Heenaben Shah from GCCI who is contesting for the co-chair position, and I am sure this message that she is talking about conveying, this is the best platform she can use to convey. Congratulations, Shivani Desai.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Actually, one of my friends, she just sent me a photograph that all the garbage is, they are burnt near the trees, which really harm the trees. And there was, the photograph was just opposite AMA. So and so I really request everyone that where the garbage is being burnt, it should not be near trees. That is one very important thing that we should keep in mind. So the trees are not damaged, hurt. Anyway, thank you. And colleagues and real worker-like person. I remember she taken me with her to JK Cement, right? And the way she works, it's not our cup of tea. Being with this so much of waste and the smell and the worms, I could not stand it. So she's really doing an excellent job. Her business is very tough. It's not like ours. So I think we should really give a standing applause to her. Because it really requires, because we can't do it. We seriously can't do it. It's very tough doing it. What she does is really tough. Friends, thank you so much.
Rupali Paraswani, she is not with us today, but she is here in spirit, I know that. She is the owner of DJ Rupali. She is big time into DJing. She is probably the first lady DJ that we have in Gujarat. She also has something interesting to say. Man-made climate change is perhaps the most pressing environmental concern affecting communities. So in spirit, I'd like to offer this certification to Rupali.
Friends, સવારે હું જ્યારે આવ્યો ત્યારે મારા મોબાઈલની બેટરી ફૂલ હતી 100%. અત્યારે 6% છે ઓનલી. અને આઈ એમ વેરી હેપી ટુ શેર PMO India Office, United Nations official Twitter account and UNDP as live our tweets. We have the result on my Twitter ID. Hello Mr. Edward. I have caged everyone's photograph along with the contents as well as their position on my Twitter account, and we have crossed more than 100 tweets since morning. We are the top 10 tweeters of this event on Twitter. So apart from UN, we are the second one.
So does that mean we are trending? Naveen K. Sharma, he is the Vice President Projects, JK Lakshmi Cement Limited. They are my clients since last 3 years. And he is the person who decided to do this project with me 3 years back when I had a stall in an exhibition. Ever since, we have not looked back. And today, I told him specially on your behalf, please send me the person who does the groundwork at JK Lakshmi Cement and handles the entire plant which Shivani Desai was talking about. It's handled by one and only Dharma Bhai. I invite the entire team of JK Lakshmi Cement Limited Kalol plant to come to the stage. I don't know if we had more of them. And then receive the certificate. Yeah. We at JK Lakshmi Cement Limited, when it comes to environmental conservation, resource conservation, opportunities available within the unit, however small they are, do not ignore and implement them irrespective of their immediate economic sense. And so, it is true for the domestic biodegradable waste generated on daily basis from plant, canteen, office and gardens. This waste is successfully being converted into biomanure for the past 3 years with the active support of Waste Pro. Ladies, Mr. Naveen K. Sharma is represented by the person who does this job for the last 3 years. He is totally motivated about doing it, and I want you all to get up for him. Yes, sir.
JK Lakshmi में 3 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ मैडम के साथ. काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. वर्मी कंपोस्ट चालू करने के बाद हमारा जो पौधा था उसमें फल नहीं लग रहे थे, लेकिन चालू करने के बाद हमने दिल्ली तक भेजवा है. जो JK Lakshmi के महानिदेशक है उसको भी हमने पूरे फ्रूट खिलाए, हमारे भाव बना किए डाल की. थैंक यू.
Also, with this green practice, from about last 3 years, we are producing around 3,600 kgs of vermicompost inside the premises with the all organic waste, shredding it, then finally converting into vermicompost. And that manure we are giving here in the bags, distributing in the nearby community to the visitors, and also using the same manure as a green belt development inside the plant premises. That was it.
This is the last one, Deepaben Shah, who is not with us today. She is in the US. She was my first client at Vibrant Gujarat Trade Show in 2013. She is a Jain. So in spirit, I am offering this certificate of participation to Deepaben Shah. So I am going to simply read it out. My ultimate goal is to prevent waste from reaching landfill sites. I never wait for others to take the initiative. My gossip mostly surrounds best practices in waste management. I segregate waste at home, I compost it, I sell it for ₹10 a kilo, like I do for milk bags and newspaper. I punish myself if I forget to carry a cloth bag for my groceries. I let them all open in the car's back seat and bring the bag from home and then go down, put it in the bag and then go up. I close the main knobs of my water tap whenever leakage starts. I teach children how to become change agents. I never break a tube light and expose mercury into atmosphere. Mr. Soni and Mr. Brijesh Sheth, because they want to go to the CM program. Thank you so much for supporting the event. And today's Times of India also has Hardik Bhai Shah on the page 2 sharing his views. It's been a pleasure to have you around, and Nehal Ben Ajmera, I want to thank her personally for supporting me with the logo and for supporting me by your signature in the certificate, because then each one of these change agents is going to value it more. Thank you so much. And then we proceed to the canteen area where Hansa Ben Moore, who runs the Kulfi and Ice Cream Parlor, has Kulfi candies for all of us. So that's Jatin Chaudhary, the founder, and he calls himself a salesman of eChai Ventures. Thank you, Jatin, for coming.
Thank you.
Please take the occasion.
I also like to mention that many years ago, almost a decade ago, I'd like to mention that almost a decade ago, I had written a small booklet which I had titled A Do-It-Yourself Guide to Environment Conservation at Home, which gives a number of tips on what each and every one of us can do in our homes and in our offices, perhaps even in our children's schools, which will go a long way towards environment conservation.
Thank you, Kusumji. I think we come to the end of this event today, and I have to thank Meet Rao once again, who is going to continue on this mission by contributing the caller tune that we will all probably download, and that selfie point is specially created for this event. There is a selfie stick out there. I really wish that all of us also take selfies with that in the background, and we all have Hansa Moore offering us more and rich kulfis downstairs.
चलो 1 પછી બોલો 2 અને 3 for funny, so everybody cheers, right? So
હેતુ એ જ હતો કે આજે આપણે વર્લ્ડ એન્વાયરમેન્ટ ડે ને સેલિબ્રેટ કરીએ, જસ્ટ લાઈક અ બર્થ ડે, અને એમાં આપણા જેવા જે સોસાયટીમાં નાના નાના કામ કરે છે એવા આપણે 21 જણાને ચેન્જ એજન્ટ્સ બનવા માટે ઇન્સ્પાયર કર્યા, એમને એકનોલેજ કર્યા, અને એવું કરવામાં આપણને ગુજરાત પોલ્યુશન કંટ્રોલ બોર્ડનો સપોર્ટ મળ્યો. એ લોકોએ સીએમનો પ્રોગ્રામ ચાલતો હતો છતાં પણ એમણે આ પ્રોગ્રામનો સપોર્ટ કરીને બતાવ્યું છે કે એ લોકો ક્લાઇમેટ ચેન્જ માટે કામ કરતા કોઈ પણ સ્ટાર્ટઅપને મદદ કરવામાં કેટલા ઇન્ટરેસ્ટેડ છે, એમનો સપોર્ટ હંમેશા રહેશે. આ એ લોકોએ રીઇન્ફોર્સ કર્યું છે ફેક્ટ આ ઇવેન્ટને સપોર્ટ કર્યા. અમે લોકો 100 જણાને ટાર્ગેટ કર્યા હતા અને અમે 100 જણા પૂરા કર્યા. આઈ થિંક મોર દેન 100 પીપલ આવ્યા હતા આ ઇવેન્ટમાં, અને આ ઇવેન્ટને અમે યુનાઇટેડ નેશન્સ એન્વાયરમેન્ટ પ્રોગ્રામ ઉપર રજીસ્ટર પણ કરેલું હતું, અને આવા 708 ઇવેન્ટ આખા દુનિયામાં રજીસ્ટર થયેલા હતા, જેમાંથી આપણો એક ઇવેન્ટ હતો. અને હું બહુ જ ખુશ છું આ શેર કરીને કે આ ઇવેન્ટ ટ્રેન્ડિંગ છે ટ્વિટર ઉપર. વી આર ધ સેકન્ડ મોસ્ટ ટ્રેન્ડિંગ ઇવેન્ટ ઓફ વર્લ્ડ એન્વાયરમેન્ટ ડે ઓન ટ્વિટર, અને થેન્ક્સ to all the friends who have tweeted and made it possible for Prime Minister's office and United Nations to have liked our tweet. हमने ये इवेंट का नाम दिया था हाउ कैन आई चेंज क्लाइमेट चेंज, यानी कि मैं खुद क्या कर सकती हूँ अगर हमारा टेम्परेचर 50 डिग्री तक पहुँच गया था रिसेंटली, तो उसमें अब मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, इस सिचुएशन को मैं कैसे चेंज करूँ। ये हमारे इस इवेंट का टॉपिक था। मैं और एक बात ये भी कहना चाहूँगी कि अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम्स बहुत होते हैं, लेकिन अब टाइम आ गया है एक्शन का, न सिर्फ एक्शन का, इंस्पायर्ड एक्शन का। और इंस्पायर करने के लिए ये एक हमने माध्यम बनाया जिसमें हमने 21 चेंज एजेंट्स जो सोसाइटी में आपके और मेरे जैसे हैं उनको हमने आइडेंटिफाई किया। वो जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें घर पे करते हैं, अपने बिजनेस के लिए करते हैं, अपने लाइफस्टाइल में उन्होंने जो बदलाव लाए हैं और अपने वर्क प्लेस जहाँ पे वो काम करते हैं वहाँ पे जो परिवर्तन वो लेके आए हैं, उसकी हमने हर एक की बात करके हमने चर्चा की, हमने हमारे ऑडियंस के साथ शेयर किया और इसी तरीके से हमने इंस्पायर्ड एक्शन के लिए सबको मोटिवेट किया आज के इस इवेंट के माध्यम से। इसमें हर एक प्रोफेशन के, हर एक स्ट्रेटा ऑफ द सोसाइटी से हमने इनवाइट किया था। इसमें बहनें भी थी, भाई भी थे, बिजनेस एंटरप्रेन्योर्स भी थे, स्टार्टअप्स भी हैं जो ग्रीन मार्केट का बिजनेस बढ़ाने के लिए इस इवेंट को सपोर्ट करने आए थे। हमें जीपीसीबी यानी कि गुजरात पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड जो रीजनल ऑफिस है अहमदाबाद, उनका हमें ये सपोर्ट मिला, इसीलिए हम ऐसे सर्टिफिकेट इन चेंज एजेंट्स को दे पाए जिससे आज नहीं तो फ्यूचर में उनको ज्यादा एनवायरमेंट और क्लाइमेट चेंज के लिए काम करने का प्रोत्साहन मिलेगा। ट्विटर पे मिस्टर दीपक भट्ट जो बिजनेस वर्ल्ड मैगजीन के गुजरात ऑपरेशंस देखते हैं, उनको भी हमने आज इनवाइट किया था। मुझे पता भी नहीं था और उन्होंने ये 2.5 घंटे का जो प्रोग्राम था उसको उन्होंने ट्विटर पे ले जाके मोर देन 100 ट्वीट्स करके उसको ट्रेंडिंग बना दिया। ट्रेंड इसलिए भी हुआ क्योंकि प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स ऑफिस और यूनाइटेड नेशंस ये दोनों के ऑफिशियल ट्विटर हैंडल्स ने इसको फॉलो किया, लाइक किया और आज हम लोग नंबर 2 ट्रेंडिंग इवेंट फॉर वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे के तौर पे सोशल मीडिया में आगे आ गए हैं।
मैं राजन पटेल हूँ। मुझे खुशी हुई कि मैं एक सहायक बन सका वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे के इवेंट पे जो फनीत त्रिवेदी जी ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया। हमको आशा नहीं थी कि इतना बड़े पैमाने पे इवेंट होगा और इतने लोग आएंगे और इतने लोग जो अपने आप में एक कुछ न कुछ एनवायरनमेंट के लिए रोज या अपने व्यवसाय में कुछ न कुछ एनवायरनमेंट के लिए करते हैं, वो आएंगे और इस इवेंट को प्रोत्साहित करेंगे। आज का इवेंट बहुत ही अच्छा रहा और सक्सेसफुल रहा इन द सेंस के काफ़ी जैसे स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल आए, एक मैगजीन के गुजरात हेड आए, तो अलग अलग जगहों के हेड्स आए, बिजनेस ओनर्स आए, अलग अलग एसोसिएशन के लोग आए जो एनवायरनमेंट के लिए कुछ करना चाहते हैं, कुछ कर रहे हैं काफ़ी सालों से और प्रोत्साहित करना चाहते हैं बाकी दुनिया को और जनता को, ताकि हमारा पर्यावरण, हमारा एनवायरनमेंट, नेचर वो बच सके आगे और नुकसान से।
सर, आप किस तरह से उसको एनवायरनमेंट करते हैं?
मेरा एक व्यवसाय है greenobazar.com। मैंने ये व्यवसाय एक 2 महीने पहले ही स्टार्ट किया है। हम वहाँ पे जैविक, रिसाइकल्ड, अपसाइकल्ड, 100% नेचुरल, केमिकल फ्री, नॉन पोल्यूटिंग प्रोडक्ट्स ही बेचते हैं अक्रॉस इंडिया।